Hi, beautiful souls. Today I share a little light on an invitation to just stop and just feel into where your path is taking you, where you feel right now. Just feel into every little part of your body. Feel into your mind, your head and your neck. Work your way down your body, feeling into every part of your body. How are you really feeling? Are you feeling calm, relaxed, peaceful? Or do you have some interest? A little bit of disrest, unrest, disrest, unrest. Do you feel anything pulling you to make you do? My feeling, and the feeling of many other dear ones, is that right now is a good time to just ease off all the busyness. Not necessarily to take yourself into thinking mode about why things are the way they are. That's something that isn't always helpful. But concentrating your energy right now on love, being love, allowing yourself your linear time to just be present and silent and peaceful. I know that many still spend much linear time on their social medias like the Facebook and stuff like this, and that can serve to a certain degree, but if it's consuming your time and making you focus in areas that's making you feel imbalanced, making you feel exhausted, tired, depleted in any way, then I invite you to release your time spent there, come home to your inner self, to your highest self, commune with the sage within, and become peaceful. Connect with your higher aspects and just practice returning to 0 point and doing that throughout the day. Getting out into nature, spending quality time outside, peaceful, relaxed, in the company of trees, in the company of the soil, the grass, the hedgerows, the natural kingdoms, releasing all that you may have built up. Just speak it out with nature. Let it out with nature. Go home, make yourself nice herbal tea, breathe and relax. When you're not in the whatever it is that you might be doing in your working life, in your free time, be sure to give yourself ample space to truly relax and to come back home and really focus on what it is that you're wanting to create. Really use that linear time with the energies that are present here. Very strong energies that can really accelerate things. And with acceleration comes great responsibility. With acceleration to energies comes the responsibility of being sure to create that you wish, being sure to really be feeling relaxed so that you can concentrate on higher timelines, higher love, bringing forth light, holding the maximum light levels that you can, anchoring that in, bearing that light so that others can see their light and so that we can reach that tipping point sooner. There is obviously no right or wrong to any of this, and there is no judgment for anyone where they are on their path. But my feeling is that right now, so very empowering to rest and concentrate focused awareness on bringing forth the new light with a clear, pure heart. And to become a really clear conduit, one must take oneself away from the hubbub of busyness. Remove oneself from places where there is noise, so that we can truly concentrate on love, bringing forth that beautiful, perfect love into the now. All is good, all is well, and you're all beautiful souls. I bless each and every one of you. I bless you with good health. I bless you with the empowered ability to see your divine and perfect light, that you may create miracles here in this now, that you feel happy and healthy and joyful. I love you all. My name is ZsaZsa. Thank you for watching. If you like this video, share it, subscribe, comment if you feel called to do so. Thank you. Many blessings.